Hello guys, how are you? My name is Elias from US500 Trade and Investment Advisor. I want to give you some tips today for the major main indices for the US500, US30, the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ US100. All the indices, all the chart patterns are the same, and I want to give you the advice because the pattern and three indices are the same, as you can see here on SP 500. Look here, we are still in a downtrend. Do you see this line? We're below all the major moving average. And as we can see, the previous time here on 5 May, we found resistance in this downtrend line exactly below the 21 moving average. And the 3 days before, 3 or 4 days before, in the 17 and 18 May, again we found support here in this downtrend line, just in the 21 moving average. I think this uptrend move will finish somewhere here on 4,000 points approximately. We are still in downtrend, in the regression trend, and the momentum is negative. As we can see, the another indices, the Wall Street, US30, the Dow Jones, is the same pattern like previous, and the NASDAQ is again the same pattern, and the three patterns have this bottom here, here again, and here. We have the same bottom and the same reaction. We are in the same pattern, bet only for trade. Be careful, only small trades for short terms. Goodbye.